notification and give me a huge thumbs up. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a water face mask. Okay, so first, you're gonna wanna listen. You know what I mean? Okay, sorry, I'm having some technical difficulties right here. Okay, there. So fill it up with one of these. Maybe I have this. It says rub on it, as you can see. Or this way, if you can see it this way, it says rub. It says it the right way to me. So it's light pink and then dark pink. Dark pink is the back, light pink is the front. So let's put water on it. And then squeeze some like this. Okay, you need like a poppet that fell out. I got this from Five Below, and 2 of them popped out. This is the second one. They give me a cheap broken one. Guys, don't go there for poppets, because all I know, they're going to fall out quickly. So, that's a fun fact. Okay, I need more water. And then squeeze it like it's a lemon, but it's an easy lemon. Just need a little bit more. And then I have this, right? I need to put some soap in it. Pour the water out, actually. Okay, so make it be wet, right? Then, wait, hold up. And then get a soap bar or some soap dispenser and just rub on tip of it like this. You can do any side or whatever you have. You can do it whatever way you would prefer. See, look how white it is. If it's light pink, it should turn out white, but if it's dark or something, it should be a little bit white. See? And then make it go out because it's soapy water now. You need some soap water. Oops, it looks like this maybe. You dip your thing into it. Oh yeah. This is so nice. So nice, like, oh my gosh, look at it. It's working. Oh my gosh. I didn't know this would actually work. This is so amazing. Maybe you need a pair of this, but this is just a face mask. But you need to look up what soap you have. I didn't mean for it to get on your lip, so never put it on your lip, okay? Don't put it too close to your eye. Don't want it to get in your eye. Oh. Maybe you can put it under your lips, on your eyes, eyelids. Not on your eyes, but you know what I mean, your eyelids. You know, your girl would never make you put it on in your eyes because it would sting and maybe you would lose your eyeball. You never know what's gonna happen to you. And then use this end, like right here, and this. Do this to make it smooth and make no soap. Make it look like there's no soap on you. Showing on you. Ow. Okay, now you're gonna want to wait. So let's pour that, and then see you guys when I'm finished. I don't have editing. I'm just kidding. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't have any editing. Your girl doesn't have no editing, so that's a problem. Okay, now let's go rest. If it feels tinkly, that means it's ready. And mine feels so tinkly. So let's get all the soap out of your sponge or something, whatever you use. Because you're gonna wipe it down with some water. And wash this out too. Wow, that's a lot of soapy water in there. Okay, now you're gonna want to fill it up with normal water. No soapy water, just regular. Any temperature you would like. I did cook, you know. Wow, thanks a lot. I think I should do it over the sink. Yeah, I'm doing it over the sink. Let's put that in the sink now. And now, let's just wash it off. Okay, you know what I mean, guys? Just wash it off. Remember, don't put too close to your eyes, but it's still normal water, but just don't do that because it might mix up with the soap and might get in your eyes, so don't do that. I'm doing the same thing. So, don't not listen to me because you know what I mean. You go, got you, I know it's right. I would not want my 22 subscribers to go bye-bye. So, you guys, I know you guys can make it to 100 subscribers and 1,000,000 subscribers. So, I know you guys can do it. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video. So, oh my gosh, this is so funny. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so, oh my gosh. And now you're going to want to smooth it out just like how you did with the soap water. Like that. Like that. Yes! This feels so nice on my skin. Oh, don't worry. You should only have soap, not like any type of soap, like coconut soap or anything, because you don't know. I don't know if that'll do some infection or something to your face. So don't do any type of soap. Just regular soap with nothing in it. Okay, just soap. Smooth it out. Okay, smooth it out. Now let's do this to our eyebrows. We're getting to our eyebrows now, so just let that dry. While we're letting that dry, we're gonna go ahead and get to the eyebrows now. So you're just gonna do the exact same thing you did to your face. It's gonna be really clean. You're gonna do your neck, not your arms. You know what I mean? I don't know if that'll do something to your arms, so just don't do that. Wait, no, we're not gonna do it. Let's just get started. Yeah, you can use bath soap, okay? Because you can get that on your arm, you know? put it in. Your girl got you. She won't do anything bad to you. Okay, that's a little too much there. Oh my gosh. I think I need to put a little bit out there. Yay! So you're gonna want to do this. You know, let's go over your eyebrows a couple times, you know what I mean? Don't put too much because it might leak down to your eye. And you do not want that. Your gold knows what's best for you. Just that. Ooh, yeah. Now let's let that get tingly. And then we're going to put regular water. So let's just dump that out for now. Spill everywhere. You know what I mean, guys? So, see you back when it gets tingly. Bye-bye. And also, there might be a part 2. There might, okay? There might be a part 2. So, bye-bye. Okay, you guys, it has gotten tingly. So let's get some regular water. I don't think I'm going to be using this much this time, so I'm just going to put out my own way. No. Yeah, that much, not much. Okay. Now you let's go. It's okay if the water gets in your eyes, but not the soap water, guys. That sound, that was so. And we're gonna do it to our lips now. She didn't do much to our lips, right? Let's just put some. Just get my soap, my dispenser, knock the bar, and then you're gonna want to not mix it in, maybe. Now let's put it right on our lips. Now, this could be for guys too, if you're watching this video. Ah! This is so scary. So now, freaking all tingly and stuff, so let's get started. It got tingly so fast, oh my gosh. Okay, now let's fill it up with some regular water, like, oh my gosh, my face is looking so much. Now we're gonna work on the nose. Okay, let's work on the nose. This time I'm gonna be using this. So now, oh my gosh, it has so much soap water to it. Okay, let's just put water. Okay, it's been a long video, hasn't it? Oh my gosh. You got here too if you were like, oh my gosh, no. Don't put it in your nostrils. Oh my gosh, it's so tingly. Put some water. on it, but you're going to want to rinse off this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, let's dip it in now. This is so amazing. My skin feels so much better, you guys. This is actually working for my skin. Do not put this on your teeth. Okay, you guys, that's really, really, really important not to put it on your teeth. Something might happen to them. They might rotten or something. I don't know. So just put it on your skin. It feels so good. Comment down below how you like this, but you know how I've been saying this all this time. Comment down below. You can't comment down below. I'm so sorry, guys. So we're trying to figure out how to put the comment section on. It's off. So yeah. So you can just wait until it's on, and then you can tell me other ideas you want me to do. So if you have anything you want me to do, so yeah. If you want me to play Roblox, I cannot do that until I get editing. Because I do not know how to play Roblox. I do know how to play Roblox. But I do not know how to put it on YouTube, okay? Now put a lot of water on your face. Not from this. Just put some water on your hands. Oh yeah. It feels so nice. And there you go, a clean face, unless you try it off and see the results. Okay, let's do the review. Whoa, my face feels so good. Gosh. You guys can take a video or a picture of what you like the most. And you can show me so you don't have to tell me or comment or type. You can show me a video and do witchcraft or whatever video, so you can do whatever video I did, so you guys can like act it out of what video I did. So see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And for the new people here, remember, subscribe to my channel and explore new things.